We have a solid base line, so I need to soften that line out before I actually put the extensions in. So I'm creating a smile line. This allows us to be able to put the hair up without seeing the attachment. Take the centre line and then we will place one weft on each side of that line. I'm now placing the second piece, putting the top layer on. I'm now going to do what we call a blend cut. So it's blending the extension hair into the natural hair without cutting the natural hair. Extensions are now ready to go on set to be styled.